Alright, boys and girls, so we find this Gumball machine area at the mall. And Eli seems to like this. We have approximately $2 worth of coins, so Eli's gonna use it. Alright, now actually pick one. You tell me which Gumball you want. Which Gumball do you want? Here, I give you 25 cents. You turn it, there you go. Whoa, now you have to turn it. Oh, there you go. Once it clicks, turn it. Okay, that's it. Alright, now you can, that's it, Eli. Oh, R.I.P. Gumball. It's okay, we'll get another. What? You dropped the first Gumball. Okay. Hold on. Another 25 cents. Alright. Don't drop it this time, alright? Sour lightning bolts. Oh. Got it? Alright. Good job. Alright, wait. Put your hands out. Did you turn it completely? There you go. That's it. Alright, make sure. Oh, what did you got? What color is that?
The green.
No, what color is that?
The blue.
Good job. It's sour. It says it's sour. Oh, what? Ah! Hey, don't pick it up. Oh gosh, it's okay. Is it yummy? Let me see. Double bubble lightning bolts. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna get one. Oh no! Throw it in the trash can now. Throw it in the trash can over there. Thank you. Good job. Alright, and you want some more?
More.
Alright, there you go. You go get watermelon this time. Watermelon. No, it's okay. No, baby, no. Leave him alone, Eli. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Good job. Alright, there you go. Make sure it doesn't fall out. Ah, there you go. Eli, take it out. Oh! Oh! Run away. He gotta run away. Eli, be nice. Be nice. No. Here you go. Little baby. Here we. You put it in the machine and then turn it. Yeah.
Stop it!
It's okay. Alright, Eli. How is it? Is it yummy? Yeah? Alright there, look. M&M's. Where? Eli, look, I'm gonna get, see? Let me see what I'm gonna get. They have, ooh, that's yummy. They have green apple, M&M's, Skittles. They have seedlings. I remember this when I was a little kid. Oh, are you good? He's good. You got Bubble Brights. Oh, there's neon colors. They have the, this is the original one. And the watermelon and lightning bolts, which is a little sour. Oh, look at this. Oh, crazy egg. No yolks, Joe. Oh, look, they have ball. They have ball. And they have fuzzy friends. Look at that. Ooh, that's what. They have blots. This is actually looks good. Maybe I'll give it a try. They have blueberry smoothie. Peppermint. Ooh. Chickle tabs, Tootsie Tarts, ooh, and Bubble Double original. So that's how it looks like way back then. Oh, look at this, cotton candy. Oh, careful. All right, now put your hands like here before opening it. That's a cotton candy. And then there's stretch emojis. Clear and cool rings, and they have dragons. You know what? That costs 75 cents though. This is toys, but the toys they're okay. 50 cents. I don't want to use my 50 cents on that. I want to use my money on something. No, actually. Oh, look at that. They also have these bones. That's kind of hard candy. I don't like it. But a green apple I like. Oh, here. What are you going to try this time? He tried it. He throws it out in the trash because he didn't like how it tastes. Which one? This one? Alright, here, let me pick you up. I'll pick you up. Say, pick me up, please.
Take it, please.
Alright. 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 You go. No, turn the knob first. Turn it. Alright, now put the coin. Put the coin in. No, put the coin in. Alright. Yeah. Push it in. There you go. And turn. Use your right hand then. Is that your right hand? That's your left hand. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you want me to do it?
Yes.
He's having a hard time. Say please.
Please.
Say turn it please.
Turn, please.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get one.
Hurry.
I don't know, I can't control what you're gonna get. Ooh, see that thing right there? Oh, mother! You got grapes. You got grapes, Eli.
Strawberry.
Which one do you want? Strawberry. What is that? Is it good? It's gum. It makes him dance. Alright, I guess. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to get one for myself. So I'm gonna get this green apple because you know what? I love me some green apples. Oh yeah, look at that.
Mama, coins.
You got one coin left. Did you throw away the other one? Okay. Yeah, he got one. He got one more left. Oh, you want to try that one more time? All right. Here, I'll put it in. Oh, you want M&Ms? Here. All right, I'll get it for you. All right, we're gonna get the classic M&M. I think he's tired of like trying everything. So, oh wow. It's okay. Here you go. Say, what do you say? All right. Hold both your hands. Put your hands together. There you go. And I got one. He tried it. He tried most of it, but he didn't really like most of it. Whoa! Whoa! Dizzy! I'm dizzy!
A few moments later.
Alright, boys and girls, ready for another round. We got another $1. I dig through my purse, found $1. So, where do you want to go? Oh, we're gonna see if we can get the slime. Slime. Two on this side.
Mama.
Hold on. I'll put some more. I'll put one more. Alright, there you go. Turn it. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. Whoa! It fell. Whoa! You got a... What color is that?
Little.
Good job. Why am I so excited? I'm more excited to get something than he is. Alright, do you want me to open it?
Open it.
Alright. Ooh. I don't know what we're gonna... Let's see what we're gonna be making here in a bit. I'm opening it up now.
Like yours.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh, there's the egg. Ooh.
Giant.
Wow. Egg. Wait. Oh, careful. R.I.P. egg. Whoa. Oh, don't eat that. That's not food. That's toy, Eli. That's a slime. Whoa. That's a slime. Look. Wow. Whoa. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Wow.
Wow. That is so cool. It's a slime. That is worth 75 cents. For real, though. Whoa. Let me see. Squishy. Whoa.
Look.
Let me see.
Look at that.
It smells like lemon too. It doesn't have that chemical smell. It's probably made out of like, oh, don't eat it. It's a slime. Yeah, it has that like non-toxic smell to it. It's probably some food coloring, maybe some lemon and some preservatives like food grade, but I'm not gonna recommend like trying to eat it because it's not for consumption. Wow, stretchy.